Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are having a good health. You studied about agriculture in your previous classes and I hope you have knowledge about agriculture. So here is my question. Why is agriculture important for a country? Because it is a source of food supply. Why is Pakistan called an agriculture based country? Because the majority of the population lives in the countryside and villages and their occupation is agriculture. And there are some basic requirements for better agriculture like fertile and level land, enough rainfall, suitable climate and irrigation. So now in this video we are going to study a new lesson that is called the land and agriculture in Pakistan and South Asia. In this chapter we will study the land composition and agriculture of the South Asian countries. Pakistan is not very fortunate in both land types and natural resources. 2/5 of the land is virtually unusable for agricultural purposes because of poor soil, cold and dryness. Fortunately, there is a wonderful river system providing water for irrigation as 3/4 of the agricultural land has to be irrigated to get crops. Nearly 60% of the country is dry or too mountainous to grow crops, and much of the soil needs large amount of fertilizers for better crops. Now we will study about irrigation in Pakistan. Pakistan is a fairly dry country. The rainfall is not enough to support good agriculture. Pakistan has one of the best system of canal irrigation in the world. Being a fairly dry country needs irrigation facility which are provided mainly through the canal system of river Indus and its tributaries. Students, can you name of tributaries of river Indus? Yes, you know about Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej. And by dams and barrages on other small rivers. In the past, the rivers flooded uncontrollably when snow melted in the mountains to the north and water rushed down means नीचे की तरफ भागना या नीचे की तरफ पानी का बहना in the plains, destroying thousands of homes and drowning means डूबना many people. Today huge dams have been built across deep valleys in the north to hold back the water during flood time and to store it in huge lakes, and the water is released steadily throughout the year. Steadily means on regular basis, बाकायदा तौर पर. Further downstream, smaller dams and barrages have been built to further control the water. The water released from the dam flow from the river into the main canal and into the smaller canal and finally into ditches between the field. Ditches means khai ya gadha. And water from river Indus and its tributaries is distributed across the Punjab and Sindh according to agricultural needs. More water is obtained from shallow wells. As you can see, shallow wells means a hole which has been dug or drilled into the ground for the purpose of extracting water. This is brought to the surface by Persian wheel. And students, nowadays the use of tube well is increasing day by day. This is water from deep underground and not associated with the river system. This supply from deep water sources has been available only since the introduction of electricity to pump it to the surface. Tube wells are narrow and very deep wells about 200 meters or more that are drilled by machinery to reach pure water sources deep underground. This water never dried out and pumped to the surface by an electric pump, which is one of the reason the government is working hard to bring electricity to all of the villages. Students, do you understand all the points? Hope you got it. Let's come to homework. You can attempt it on your copies. Here is question. Question number 1 is, what is the importance of agriculture for Pakistan? What are the sources of water for agriculture? Student, we discussed in detail these two questions in our video. As we discussed, agriculture is important because of the increase in the population, and it also reduces import of food crop. And sources of water for agriculture are flood water, which is stored in dams and barrages, rivers, tube wells, rainwater. Do you understand? Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.